As you can probably hear, it's very windy. I'm gonna fly my drone. Oh my goodness! It's windy. It's snowing. It's snowing. There's a blizzard. I'm flying my drone. Look at this. Look how good I can hover. Wait, get back. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of wind. Why is it whenever I want to fly my drone, there's so much wind? Wait, come back, come back. I'm actually doing pretty good for this. Oh, oh. This thing only weighs 10 grams. Or no, it's more like 30 grams, but it is plastic. Get away from the car! Oh my goodness! Come back! Oh! This is crazy wind. This wind has to be at least 60 miles per hour. It's hardly blowing, it's blowing me over. Plus it's snowing. Let me get higher so I can see the trees. Look at the trees! Okay, now come back. Oh! Oh! Go up. There we go. I'm doing a pretty good job at hovering right now. Oh! Huh? Huh?